बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामुअलैकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स मैं शेयर करूँगी वो वाली जॉब्स आई थी डॉन संडे 15 सितंबर 2024 के अखबार में। तो पहली जॉब है पोजीशन ओपन कराची अकाउंट्स लीडिंग brokerage house member of PSX required senior accountant with relevant experience, must have full command on preparing financial statements, must know PSX compliance / corporate tax related matters, deal with internal / external auditors, minimum qualification BCom, ACCA certificate holder will be preferred, contact Ahmad95@gmail.com, dzulfi@gmail.com, required accountant BCom. Interested candidates send complete CV at email address at jobs2013_2014@hotmail.com. Required accountant minimum graduate and 3 years experience in accounts, tax and sales tax. Send your CVs with expected salary at hr@asn.com.pk, hr@asn.com.pk. Administration की जॉब से renowned school in Model Colony requires admin officer, male, preferably retired army person or civilian, age limit 55, master/graduate, 3 to 5 years, relevant administrative experience of a well reputed school, computer literate, salary 55K along with medical coverage is offered. Eligible candidates having good managerial skills can walk in, ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है, विद देयर CVs between 9 AM to 10 PM before Saturday 21st September 2024. Contact number 344-93020, 344-93020, 345-10988, 345-10988. जनरल की जॉब से रिनाउंड प्राइवेट लिमिटेड लॉजिस्टिक्स कंपनी लोकेटेड एट मेन Shahrai Faisal requires following experienced female staff: number 1 assistant accountant, number 2 transport coordinator. Share your CVs on following address, contact 0315009000, 0315009000. Email jobskh9@gmail.com, jobskh9@gmail.com. Account import officer and data entry operators having 3/4 year experience are required. Apply to jobs at qaiserbrothers.com, jobs at qaiserbrothers.com. An established company requires the services of one accounts clerk/computer operator having qualification BCom. Candidate having 2 years experience of respective field may apply with full detail in email adm.hr@outlook.com, adm.hr@outlook.com. Coordinator for online course based in Karachi. An international organization dealing in postgraduate medical examination is looking for a coordinator for an online course to manage and oversee the daily operations of our online course. The ideal candidate will be responsible for coordinating course schedules, supporting instructors and students, ensuring the smooth delivery of course content, and maintaining the quality of the online learning experience with a particular focus on using the model learning management system LMS and Zoom. Key responsibilities: coordinate and manage the day-to-day operations of online courses using Moodle, LMS and Zoom. Work in close coordination with the course directors, modules lead and chief operating officer for flawless running of the course. Liaise with instructors to ensure timely delivery of course materials and content through Moodle. Schedule and manage live sessions on Zoom, ensuring smooth technical execution. Provide technical and administrative support to both instructors and students, particularly in navigating Moodle and using Zoom. Monitor student progress and engagement within Moodle, addressing any issues, promptly assist in the development and updating of course materials on Moodle, ensure all online platforms and tools, especially Moodle and Zoom, are functioning properly, handle communication related to course updates, schedules, and other relevant information, possess excellent in interpersonal skills, proficient in MS Office, mainly Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and expertise in educational authoring tools. Authoring tools will be preferred. Attractive salary with benefits will be offered. Please send your CV to samee@gmail.com, latest by Monday, September 23rd, 2024. Only shortlisted candidates will be contacted. Jamia Benoria Almia is looking for HR associates, 4 positions, MBA ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है HR/graduate, 1 to 2 years experience. Fresh graduate will also be considered. Must be familiar with MS Word, Excel and PowerPoint, English and Urdu drafting skills. Age 20 to 25 years. Preference will be given nearby residents of site area. Interested candidates may apply at hr@benoria.org. Multinational company needs vector artist with experience in level 3 and 4. Learner can also contact. Good salary plus bonus. Contact on SMS only. 0332 3754 127, 0332 3754 127. Paramount Books PVT Limited is seeking a female/male office coordinator who is experienced in writing business emails. A candidate should be at least graduate, proficient in English and skilled in computer applications. Apply hr@paramountbooks.com.pk. hr@paramountbooks.com.pk. Required personal assistant for school director. Candidate having previous similar experience may WhatsApp 0300 8268 767, 0300 8268 767. Urgently required assistance. Import manager experienced, BBA or equivalent, fluent in English, who can work independently. Apply at info@firstlinklogistics.com. firstlinklogistics.com. English speaking women required for cooking and household work in Defence, Karachi, for a small family on full-time, room and food, and good salary offered. Call 0300 348 6864, 0300 348 6864 between 2 to 4 p.m. Management Quality Assurance Manager required, must have knowledge of ISO standards and audits, minimum 3 years experience required in relevant work. Please contact at vhiring265@gmail.com, vhiring265@gmail.com. Marketing seeking marketing executive with outstanding communication skills for leading industrial energy plant company role. Execute dynamic marketing strategies, manage in office and on field tasks. Requirements: mechanical engineer/MBA experience is A plus. Benefits: competitive salary plus sales commission. Weekdays Monday to Friday, timing 0850 hour to 1800 hour. Apply now. Email CV to hr@income.com.pk or WhatsApp 03458234 03458234 Marketing and digital executive, Karachi, 2+ years experience in marketing execution and digital marketing. HR H.R Tokyo H.R2KYO Tokyo automobiles@gmail.com. GM at, एक और ईमेल एड्रेस है GM जनरल मैनेजर GM@tokyoautomobiles.com पर भी ईमेल कर सकते हैं अपनी CV. मेडिकल की जॉब से अल्तमश जनरल हॉस्पिटल, क्लिफ्टन, ब्लॉक 1, कराची announces career opportunities. Emergency ICU CCU trained and experienced doctors are required for the following positions. Number 1, senior medical officer SMO. Number 2, resident medical officer RMO. Minimum experience 5 to 7 years. Number 3, candidates who have completed their training in critical care and emergency medicine are also encouraged to apply. Contact Altamas General Hospital HR on UN number +922111 +922111122224 +922111122224 or 02135187000 02135187000 extension 173 or email on jobs@altamas.pk. Email on jobs@altamas.pk. Ashfaq Memorial Hospital requires admin and marketing executive male/female RMOs for alternate night duties in ward/ICU/NICU/labor room. Interview Tuesday 17th September 2 p.m. and documents phone number 021348226165 021348226165 info@amh.com.pk info@amh.com.pk. Dr. Tawseef Amis medical course for USMLE HAAD DHA MOH MCCEE AMC FCPS MRCP.032282711518 032282711518. Following staff required for new medical center. Number 1, staff nurse, 2 female and 1 male with valid till 2025 PMC license. Number 2, medical MBBS doctor, male with 3 years experience of physical examination, age max 35. Number 3, medical technologist for laboratory with valid degree, worked on Abbott plus Sneba, Eliza plus Indigo. Forward CV on WhatsApp 031320061090 031320061090. Do not call नहीं कीजिएगा. A medical officer is required in a school clinic situated on Main Shahid Millat Road opposite Nahid Supermarket. Lucrative salary package offered. Job timings will be 8 to 2 p.m. Kindly call 033124402525 033124402525 and 033532312335 033532312335. Internal auditor required for a multidisciplinary hospital on full-time basis. Candidates, preferably ladies, should be adequately qualified in accounts and have experience of hospital audit. Salary negotiable. Apply with resume to HR officer Zainab, Panjwani Memorial Hospital, Muhammad Ali, Habib Road, Tomaish, Karachi. Telephone number 0300 9377925 0300 9377925. Email zpmh@hotmail.com zpmh@hotmail.com. Lady nursing instructor. Candidates must be RM and post RN BSN/BSM with clinical and teaching experience in OB/GY. Attractive salary package. Apply with resume to Principal Zainab, Panjwani School of Midwifery, Muhammad Ali, Habib Road, Tomaish, Karachi. Telephone number 0300 9377925 0300 9377925. Email zpmh@hotmail.com zpmh@hotmail.com. Shamsi Hospital requires experienced RMOs for ICU, Peds, Gynae, Medicine and ER department. Also experienced IT officer, nursing staff are required. Contact HR department or contact 021345971184 021345971184. Email hrshamsi101@gmail.com hrshamsi101@gmail.com. The Lady Dufferin Hospital, one of the largest women's hospitals of Pakistan, having 300 beds and specializes in obstetric, gynecological and neonatal pediatric services. We are looking for the following positions: neonatologist, FCPS with minimum 3 to 5 years of relevant experience in a reputable hospital. Senior medical officer, pediatrics, completed residency training of MCPS/FCPS pediatrics with good exposure of neonatal services and NRP is preferred. Duty is alternate night shift. Please share CV at careers@ladydufferin-hospital.org and mark the position in subject title of email urgently required gastroenterologist sonologist 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. on salary basis, urologist, neurologist, eye specialist, perform phaco surgery, cardiologist for Fidai consultant clinic and female medical officer for evening shift, Fidai Medical Center, Block 7, FP area, Karachi. Please email your CV to fidaifoundation123@gmail.com or submit personally. Contact 02136372491, 02136372491/021633754, 021633754। मल्टीपल की जॉब्स हैं। निटेड गारमेंट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी रिक्वायर्स द फॉलोइंग प्रोफेशनल्स एंड एक्सपीरियंस्ड स्टाफ। नंबर 1 जनरल मैनेजर, नंबर 2 प्लानिंग मैनेजर, नंबर 3 मार्केटिंग मैनेजर, नंबर 4 असिस्टेंट मर्चेंडाइजर, नंबर 5 पॉइंट चेकर, नंबर 6 कटिंग QC, नंबर 7 लाइन QC, नंबर 8 फिनिशिंग QC, नंबर 9 कटिंग इंचार्ज, नंबर 10 फ्लोर इंचार्ज, नंबर 11 फिनिशिंग इंचार्ज। Interested candidates can drop their CVs at email@hr.netwearfactory@gmail.com और मोबाइल नंबर 0325354033, 0325354033। कंस्ट्रक्शन, इंटीरियर एंड furniture company requires experienced staff as per the same job. Minimum 5 years experience. Computer operator, civil interior work supervisor, project engineer and quantity server. Email aimughal122@gmail.com, aimughal122@gmail.com। Established internal freight forwarder company requires the services for the following positions. Number 1 customer services import/pricing, ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है 2 पोजीशंस। नंबर 2 मार्केटिंग एग्जीक्यूटिव इम्पोर्ट 2 पोजीशंस। इम्पोर्ट डॉक्यूमेंटेशन एग्जीक्यूटिव 4। चौथी पोस्ट है अकाउंटेंट शुड बी वेल वर्स्ड विद द कंप्लीट अकाउंटिंग साइकिल, टैक्स मैटर्स एंड सॉफ्टवेयर ऑपरेशन। कैंडिडेट ओनली हैविंग रेलिवेंट एक्सपीरियंस शैल अप्लाई। Both female and male are encouraged. Apply positions in full confidence. WhatsApp 0300 560756 0300 560756। Email career@transparencyshipping.com, career@transparencyshipping.com। Make-A-Wish Foundation Pakistan requires the following for their Karachi office. नंबर 1 मैनेजर मार्केटिंग एंड फंड रेजिंग, ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है मेल/फीमेल। नंबर 2 हॉस्पिटल/विश कोऑर्डिनेटर, मेल/फीमेल। एज प्रेफरेंस 30+, प्रायर एक्सपीरियंस इन NGO will be preferred. Apply on admin@makeawish.org.pk, admin@makeawish.org.pk। तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो।
अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।